Okay, so here's your module challenge. You can see, I'm hoping this image looks reasonably good, but what it's doing is it's going up and down the scale, first fast and then slow, back and forth, speeding up and then slowing down as it goes up and down. So here you see it speeding up, hits the maximum speed, starts to slow down, gets slower and slower and slower and slower, and then when it reaches a maximum slowness, it'll start speeding up, and the process repeats itself over and over again. I'm showing you this right here, okay? This is the only function being called, is just this one. Now notice, to make it smooth, I did delete the delay after the timeout. In fact, I could show you what it does if I put it back. It doesn't make a big difference. Let me pause it while it loads. So here's with that delay that we originally had. You can see it sort of flickers because we have an off time. We actually have a time when there is no light on. If I delete this, okay, I'm still turning off the light, and it actually is briefly. I forget the total time on an Uno. It's microseconds at best. It is actually off. Everything's off, but then it comes around, turns on again so quick you can't perceive it with your eye. So that's your goal. You can do this actually in a number of ways. I did it with nested for loops, as I sort of alluded to before. And what I want to see is your code. I want to see some comments on your code. And I want to see some sort of video off your phone or something that shows me that in fact you were successful. You can do it. You don't have to do it the way I did it. You don't even know how I did it exactly. There are many ways to do it. But I want to see some sort of pattern like this with a smooth up and down flashing rate going up and down the scale. So I will see you guys again really soon with the next module.